I have this cool old key machine, and guess what I'm going to do with it? Hey, welcome back. Well, I had a friend of mine that cut keys, and I needed a key made, so I went to him, and he says, why don't you cut your own? He says, I got an old key machine, and I'll just give it to you if you want to try it. And I thought, hey, I'm ready. I've always liked these things, never had one. I've always seen them in use when I was a kid. And so he gave me some practice keys, and I'm going to take some of these practice keys and give it a try and see what happens. I've cleaned it up a little bit and lubricated where I could lubricate it. Turned it on, and it seems to be going, but we'll see in a minute what happens, because I've never done this before. So cool old key machine though. I think these are great. So I have my key, and like I said, first time I've done this. Tighten that down. Take my other key. This is the guide that lines the two keys up from what I've learned. Then what I'll be doing, I suppose, is working off of this. All right. Okay, take this key out. Go over here and get a little smoother. I have no way of telling whether or not these will work, because I don't. This was just a practice. They're pretty darn close. I know close probably doesn't count in locks, but there's my first key. I have a Chevy key here. Here's my door key to my van, and then another key that close. Probably still the wrong. This one says K, this one says H, but I'm going to try it anyway and see what happens. Okay, this one works. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock, and here's the original. Lock, unlock. It worked. Yippee. So having the right key makes a big difference. I still don't think this is the right one, but it actually works. And until the next video, Steve AZ711 saying thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bye for now.